but I'm disobeying the law. Yeah, I can see through the fog, it's like I be seeing my God. Yeah, it's just me and my dog. Whole squad is scared to handle any beef. Please don't let them try to let us on the leash. Everybody really try to mess with belief. I body anybody wanna see. Put in this out there, I don't care. I ain't walking around here with a fear nowhere. Don't worry, I ain't going nowhere. So you know, no, we don't fight fair.
Nah, no, we don't fight fair. When the lights on, the darkness is gone. This is a war that you cannot win. Must keep in mind that you're just a pawn. Not in control, no, not for a minute. Even when I get pushed to my limits, I belong to the king, mind, body, and spirit. You're alive, I'm alive. There's a difference.
What's the difference if we fight fair? 'Cause you live to lie. So are you ready for a nightmare? I'm right here, alive. Alive, alive. Don't you get that I'm defended? I will never die. It's a battle that you can't win. This love, it keeps me alive. And I won't ever have to die a death, my final breath, the birth alive. And I'm a rise up resurrected, my past and future in Christ. You will never feel my freedom, the embrace of light. Know the power of a new life, where fear and faith can collide.